If you want to auto invite members on Discord, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead to your browser and search for invite bot. Alright, an invite bot is a Discord bot that allows you or to help you connect your invites to roles, so you can assign roles to people when they join your server. So what you could do, you could just go ahead and click add app, and as you can see, this link is taking you to the following website, Trust, and then click visit site. As you can see right here, you're gonna authorize the bot to have access to your server and select the server if you have many servers on your Discord. I'm gonna select, let's say, this one, and I'm gonna hit continue, and make sure that you read thoroughly when you give access to such bots. Maybe you don't want to give them access to private messages or whatever. You can uncheck mark some of those if you want to, right? And then hit authorize, and that way the bot will function to the new members if they joined your server to assign them based on their interests. So they will do that instead. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.